finally got some rain, which has cooled things off, so I can get out here in the shed and work on this rat rod a little bit. It's been just absolutely miserable hot, so it's hard to get out here and do anything. The shed is like an oven. When the sun's beating on it, it's pretty rough. So anyway, got a nice cool day. We're gonna get in here and get some things done. Bad Chad ain't got nothing on me. So pretty is not what we're after. We're just after pure function, really. Got to get the floor of the cab sealed up. Try to keep this nice and tight to the transmission. I don't have a whole lot of room. This transmission may end up bumping into the housing when I give it gas and it torques over a little bit, but we just have to deal with that down the road. Right now, it's all about sealing this thing up so we can move on to the next thing. I don't know if I'm going to name this thing Rough Cut or Frankenstein. So I've got to the point where I got to do something on the firewall. Now, all this craziness in here, that don't bother me. It's ugly, but it's rat rod. Anyway, for the firewall, I think I would like to look halfway decent. Behind right here is some structure, so I can't just cut that out. Got to kind of think on this and see what I want to do. With this end of the block is back a little bit further than that side, just the way they're made. So I've got to step back a little bit here and try to step forward a little bit over there to give me some room. Anyway, that's how far we got. Time to give it some stair time again and see what I come up with. Like I say, I want the firewall to look pretty decent on the outside anyways, so I may have to buy some sheet metal. I don't think I have anything that'll really work there. Anyway, we're gonna give it some thought. Thanks for hanging out. We'll catch y'all next time.